High five. High five. We are on day number 5 of our series, Get Your Dance Fit Fix in 5. I hope that you've been with me doing all 5 dance moves each day for 5 minutes, and you've learned something new, and I hope you enjoy. And if you do, please subscribe. My name's Karen, and today, for the 5th day, we're going to do this move I call the kick and click. And I use it in a couple of my routines. Basically, okay, let's start this off right. So we're gonna bend those knees, plant the feet again, abs engaged, shoulders relaxed, smile on, just a few things to think about. Okay, and then we're gonna do almost like a gallop to the side. So we're gonna go to the left first. So you're mirroring me. Gallop. Got that? So it's almost like you kick your foot out of the way with your other foot. So if you're gonna start with your left side, kick your right out of the way and then plant them again. So you get that momentum from bending your knees and landing softly. Okay, so that's the kick part. You're kicking your foot out of the way. And then we have the click. So take your right leg, kick your left, and then click your left hand up. Same thing going to the right. Pick up your left, kick, click, kick, click, kick, click. And there, now you know the kick and click. Let's practice it together. Maybe get a little bit faster. Okay, I'm gonna grab some music and then we'll put it all together. Double time, here we go. Speed it or slow it down. Thanks for joining me. Have an excellent evening.